In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Salesforce. Imagine the benefits when your project management tool speaks directly to your customer relationship management software. That's not just efficiency, it's like giving superpowers to your business processes. And I'm here to guide you through every step of making this happen between Monday.com and Salesforce using the bridge we call Zapier. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First, let's get you onto the Zapier platform, which is pivotal for this integration. Head over to the homepage of Zapier. Here you'll be greeted with an interface designed to ease your workflow automation process. You'll find yourself on a dashboard that's intuitive, inviting, and ready to kickstart our journey. Next, your attention should be drawn to the Create button. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on it, you're taking your first step towards connecting two powerful platforms. And let me remind you, every click on this journey is about bringing efficiency to your work processes. Now, proceed by selecting Zaps. This might sound a bit funky, but think of Zaps as bridges. They are the connectors between your different workflows, allowing apps to communicate and perform actions based on triggers and events. What we're building today is one such bridge. No need to get lost in the myriad of options Zapier offers for integration. There's a straightforward way to connect Monday.com and Salesforce. Simply type in Connect Monday and Salesforce in the search or prompt area. See how easy that is? Zapier understands what you need and lays it out neatly for you. Once you find the pre-made connection option, you'll see an Add All Steps to Zap button. This is a shortcut that essentially pulls all necessary steps into your Zap, making it even simpler to get your integration up and running. Add them, and you're halfway through the integration. With the steps added, it's time to select a trigger event. In simple terms, this is the action in one app, at this point either Monday.com or Salesforce, that will set off a sequence of events in the other. Choosing the right trigger is essential, as it determines how and when your data moves between the platforms. After selecting your trigger, Zapier will prompt you to log into your account for the selected trigger application. This is a crucial step, ensuring the security and privacy of your data. Follow through by clicking Configure to precisely define what data you want the trigger to act on. Next, focus shifts to Salesforce. Click on it as this becomes your action platform, the destination for your data, or the place where the outcome of your trigger event will manifest. Choosing an action event on Salesforce is similar to selecting a trigger. It defines what happens in Salesforce when your trigger event occurs in Monday.com. This symmetry in setting up both trigger and action ensures smooth data flow between the two platforms. Sign into your Salesforce account to authorize Zapier to create actions in it on your behalf. As with any integration step, security is paramount, so ensure you're comfortable with the permissions requested during the login process. Once again, click Configure to fine-tune how Salesforce responds to the trigger event from Monday.com. This step allows you to map data fields from Monday.com into Salesforce, ensuring that the data lands in the right spots. Now the real test comes in. Test your Zap to see the integration in action without any real-world consequences. This step is akin to a dress rehearsal, ensuring everything runs smoothly for the grand opening. If everything checks out during the test, you're cleared for launch, click Publish, and your integration is live. From this moment on, Monday.com and Salesforce will work hand in glove, orchestrated by the Zap you've just set up. At this point, I encourage you to take a moment. Reflect on the journey you've just undertaken, from setting foot on Zapier, through the careful selection of triggers and actions to the final test and launch. You've successfully merged the capabilities of Monday.com and Salesforce, all through a series of simple, albeit meticulously followed steps. Integration like this symbolizes not just technical achievement, but a commitment to efficiency, organization, and the endless pursuit of business improvement. Well done. Remember, this is just the beginning. With Monday.com and Salesforce now working as a team, you have laid a foundation for countless automations that can save time, reduce errors, and ultimately empower your business to scale new heights. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring more ways to optimize your workflows and enhance productivity, because in the world of connectivity, the possibilities are truly endless.